Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the app version and OS build so you know what you're fixing. Once done, export configs and backup settings. This protects you if a rollback is needed. Next, open developer tools or diagnostic mode and enable verbose logging so errors are visible. Make sure to note timestamps and error ID. These first steps let you target the root cause quickly, instead of guessing, and set up a safe environment to apply changes. You'll now diagnose the core problem by tracing the now bar lifecycle: initialization, render, update, and destroy phases. Use console traces and the exported logs to map where behavior diverges. Once you isolate the failing module, modify only the affected layer, inject a CSS override if layout breaks, add a JS debounce if rapid updates flood state, or correct the state transition logic. Make incremental changes, then reload and validate each step to confirm the issue moves toward resolution. You finish by validating the fix across full QA, interactions, responsiveness, accessibility, and performance checks. Once satisfied, deploy to staging and monitor logs closely for 24 to 48 hours. Make sure metrics don't regress. If something goes wrong, revert immediately and create a minimal reproducible case so you can debug without noise. One key tip: if the problem reappears intermittently, collect a live trace and share it with the dev team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.